I am very glad to be here as a lecturer during Lubelskie Wirtualne Dni Nauki. It's a pleasure for me. I'm a medical sociologist. My name is Włodzimierz Piątkowski. That's why my title of this brief presentation is, in fact, the question: it is possible to create sociology of COVID-19. And my first slide shows the brief history of my researches touching sociology of AIDS. I was prepared some reports from the end of 80s. We can see here the two titles connecting with the issue. First, AIDS in opinion of clinicians, and second, AIDS in light of the analysis of Polish weekly press. And here I was presented the main results of these researches from the end 80s during the joint congress of British Sociological Association and Medical Sociology Group. It was happened in Edinburgh, Scotland, 1992. And here we can see the poster from this international conference. We can see the title, Diversity, Integration, Change, Health in Europe, Diversity, Integration, Change. And here we can see my poster, the abstract connecting with my results of my research. We can see the title, Sociomedical Studies on AIDS in Poland, AIDS in light of the Polish weekly press. And here, main results. We try to analyze the presence of people with this illness, I mean AIDS, in public space is the first point. The second is we try to analyze also the mechanism as a segregation, discrimination, isolation, and ostracism. And third, the level of knowledge about risk factors. And finally, some brief information about methodology. We try to analyze 7 leading Polish opinion-forming weeklies. Total, there were more than 230 reports. And here, our next report from 2004. It's sociological study about SARS. Maybe you know that SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome. As we know, subtitle, a sociological approach. And main aims of this research: social consequences of disease, socio-etiology of SARS, ways of understanding of disease among lay people, common people, fourth type of responses to the disease in social space. And we try to use some theories taken from general sociology, for example, theory of social stigmatization, theory of conflict, theory of adaptation, theory of symbolic interactionism, and many others. And next points connecting with our results. We try to use perspective of life events, and SARS, on the other hand, the impact of disease, SARS disease, to quality of life, and precisely speaking, health-related quality of life, analysis of reception of symptoms, and finally, we try to discuss forecasts for future pandemic viral diseases. It's kind of contemporary analysis, comparative analysis, BCE, bird flu, and etc. And my first slide from the Jagiellonian University, I was presented main results during the international conference organized by Jagiellonian University for 2004. And my recent researches, I was prepared 3 chapters connecting with my study about epidemics and pandemics in social context. It's the chapter for the book for a reader by Professor Krajewska-Kułak, and as a scientific editor, and the second text also from this year, Viral Diseases as a Threat to the Security of the Armed Forces, for Professor Leszek Kelak from Warsaw, as a scientific editor of the book of the reader, Security Dilemmas of the Polish Armed Forces in the New Security Conditions. And here the main questions connecting with today's lecture. Will the COVID-19 pandemic enforce the redefinition of the subject of sociology? We can see on the slide the three covers from main readers connecting with general sociology and my own subjective list. It will be the list of problems taking from general sociology, may be interesting for scientists who want to analyze COVID-19. We can see the long list, some examples connecting with this specification. Health and medicine, of course, is integral part of socio-medical studies, social structure and in its changes, and COVID-19 theoretical concepts, social inequalities, religion movements, social dynamics, socialization, research methods and techniques, social interactions, deviation of social control, and finally culture, civilization, and technology. Of course, it's only some examples connecting of this long list. And here is next step. I want to analyze not only the problems connecting with general sociology, but also with subdisciplines of general sociology. As we can see here, it's selected issues constituting the subject of interest, detailed sociology, and COVID-19, and also my own list of problems interesting for scientists. Process of work, social control, migration movement, rationality and irrationality, deviant behavior, social risk, social disorganization, globalization, the problems of old people, social anomaly, morality and ethics, deprivation issues, and many others. And my final conclusion from connecting with this part of presentation, it's a postulate to redefine the subject and nature of research of sociological subdiscipline and the need to initiate the discussions of a new identity of behavioral sciences. And on the next slide, I want to show my own proposals connecting with identification and localization or location of a problem of COVID-19 inside medical sociology. We can see from the top most theoretical questions, general sociology, inside general sociology, sociology of knowledge, then sociology of sociology, and after that, sociology of medical sociology, sociology of disease and being ill, sociology of viral diseases, and finally, sociology of COVID-19. And we must remember, on the other hand, about the worrying signals by Sol Levin. Sol Levin is one of the co-fathers of medical sociology. So Levin draws attention to danger of increasing fragmentarization of medical sociology. And we can see here the sentence from his last book from 1995. I think that we must remember always about these worrying signals by Sol Levin and this danger. And on the next slide, it's potential areas of interest connecting with COVID-19. Of course, we can see the long list. Let me say only some words touching the different issues as examples. We can see from the top interspecies relation and specific etiology, zoonotic etiology of COVID-19, macrosocial etiological focus like migration and global tourism, social interest versus individual freedom, changes in functioning of social institutions and organization, desocialization processes, remodeling of forms of family life, new eras of conflict and social dispute, and finally, for example, pathological and criminal behavior. Of course, because it may be a brief presentation, I discuss only some points from this list. And my conclusion, first, we need to undertake systematic transdisciplinary researches on the sociology of COVID-19. The second conclusion, we need to emphasize the sociological aspect of COVID-19 phenomenon in context of process of demedicalization of social life. We must discuss such categories like health culture and health capital and COVID-19, and the postulate to discuss the new social and cognitive identity of sociology of healthiness and medicine during the pandemic era. And thank you for your attention, and thank you for this meeting.